this much?
Well, you need to leave.
Why? Is this my jacket?
I borrowed your coat. You know, I don't have enough time to explain, but I'd like you to exit the back door.
I don't get it. Why?
I have a date outside, and she's coming in. She wants to bake some cookies. She wants to, you know, bake some cookies, if you know what I'm saying, you know?
Why can't I just meet her?
Yeah, not really. No, you can't meet her.
Why is that?
I kind of said I was you.
You said you were me?
I said I was the lead singer of a band, and I have a record deal, and, you know.
Why can't I just be you and hang out?
It's easier for you to just leave, for real. It really is. Please. Come on.
Alright, what do I get out of it? What would you do for me?
I'll shine your shoes.
No.
Clean your room.
No.
Vacuum the floor.
No.
Stop stealing your clothes.
No.
Update your iPod.
No.
I'll give you a massage every 15 minutes. Yes, I'll give you a massage. You look like a tense man. Come on, I'm a tense man. I'm on my last.
You can do better than that.
I don't know if I want to. Listen, I will do something completely ridiculous and stupid, like always. And it'll be whatever you say, whatever you say, whatever you think of, I will do. If you would just leave the house right now, really quietly. Because she's out there waiting and it's a little chilly outside, so.
Will you shampoo my cat?
Buckles,
Buckles.
your tiger.
Yeah.
What else can I do? Is there anything else I can do?
You can wave a palm tree branch on me.
Buckles it is. All right. Oh, keys?
How do I know when to come back?
I'll call you. It's good.
Alright, have fun.
Peace and blessings to you, man. Sorry about that, my darling.
Sorry, forgot something.
Oh man, she's gone.
I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, she gone.
Are you still gonna take care of Buckles?